Although in Rookwood, in the old Rookwood building, we did have things like a hydro pool and gyms. They were outdated and hard to maintain, and patients often lost out on essential therapies. So it was really felt that the whole service needed to reallocate to a state-of-the-art building like we've got here today. All of the departments had input into the design of this new building. We had therapies design their gyms, physiotherapy design in the pool areas, occupational therapy design in the areas where you have sinks and cookers that can be height adjusted to suit patients, and so patients can have the perfect environment to have their rehabilitation. So the ward areas are now much larger and more suitable for patient care. In Rookwood it was the old Florence Nightingale type of ward, whereas here we have individual rooms. We have 2-bedders. The maximum patient area is a 4-bedder. Having this new environment and state-of-the-art centre will make sure that all the rehabilitation undertaken is in a timely fashion. As I said earlier, we always have had a hydro pool in the old Rookwood, but it was often out of order, which obviously delays the rehab process. Here we've got all new equipment, and so their journey through the rehab process will be fuller and hopefully shorter. As well as the patients, of course, it's really exciting for the staff to be moving into this state-of-the-art area. We're able to deliver a much higher standard of care when you're in a new environment like this, where you can use all the new facilities for patients. So although the planned move has been going on for quite some time now, the exact dates and timescale were agreed a few months ago, and the patients will actually be probably the last people to move over on the 8th of June, and everything will be ready and set up. So we're hoping to make the whole thing as seamless for the patients as possible.